A not guilty verdict is in. Tonight, continuing coverage in a deadly shooting at a Tampa dog park.
The defendant is not guilty.
After 3 hours of deliberation, a jury cleared Gerald Radford of second-degree murder. He admitted to shooting John Walter Lay 1 year ago.
Radford maintains it was self-defense, that Lay attacked him, and tonight he walks free. Friends of John Walter Lay say he was killed because he was gay. 10 Tampa Bay's Chris Hurst joins us outside of the courthouse in Tampa tonight.
And Chris, those friends who testified against Radford are disappointed and they're confused.
Yeah, that's what they told me tonight, Dave. When I asked them for their reaction to the verdict, they thought there was enough for a conviction, but there was enough doubt from the jury that found him not guilty.
Mr. Radford does not have the burden of proving he was justified in using deadly force.
It was up to prosecutors to show beyond a reasonable doubt that Gerald Declan Radford intentionally killed John Walter Lay at a Tampa dog park and that his self-defense claim wasn't justified.
It is not necessary for him to disprove anything, nor is he required to prove his innocence. It is up to the state to prove his guilt by evidence.
That evidence included Radford's use of an anti-gay slur and witnesses who say he threatened to kill Lay. But Lay made threats to hurt Radford too, and without anyone seeing the fight that left Lay dead, it became one man's word against someone who can't speak for themselves.
Really, it was an easy case when you stick to the facts and you follow the evidence and you follow the law. The verdict is easy, and I think we see that in a 2-hour jury result.
In a statement, State Attorney Susie Lopez said, "While it's not the outcome we sought, we are proud to stand with Walt's friends and family as we fought for justice together. The fact that this victim was forced to endure hatred and prejudice from the defendant based on his sexual orientation shows that our society still has progress to make toward equality."
The neighborhood liked one, the deceased, disliked the other, the defendant, but the fact that they didn't like him doesn't make him guilty of murder.
Again, those friends too emotional to sit down for an interview tonight, but they did tell me that they are afraid if they go to that dog park that Radford may show up there as early as tomorrow morning. Live in Tampa, Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay.